Welcome back to my channel. You can see it's an unboxing video. The little corner of the pizza box is peeking through. This is for box 8, the August box. So let's start to see what is in this box. So it's wrapped in the nice and crunchy paper. You can see filled with all sorts of things. Let's move that to the side. I'm just going to highlight items as I find them. So again, with our policy of trying to minimize plastic packaging, this is a coffee filter stamped, so you can use that. And inside is a set of 3 spools with some nice pastel floss. Next item, lunch bag. Let's open that. This is a series of mason jar themed items, from the smallest one that flips up that's embellished, another one. This one also flips open. So these are all little journaling cards. And then another one. So a pocket full of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 journaling cards. Beautiful tag. I must say this is one of my favorite items for this month. It's on, the light's a bit bad, but maybe if I put my hand behind, the middle, the cutout is vellum. It's printed vellum with a beautiful floral detail, and it's a tea-dyed tag with some cotton trim. So that's, and also it's got the sound, which is really nice. A bundle with some pattern paper. I'm not going to open this bundle. It must still, oh, I suppose I have to. It's an unboxing, right? Let's open this. It's a dewdrop ink. A range of colors. This is a green. They're all in vintage colors. There were some chocolate browns. There was some sort of sandy, deserty colors. Next item. It's a tag with wooden spools. So there are 3 blank and then 3 embellished. They're on a garment tag, but they just slide off very easily. These are cute little embellishments on any sort of journal, really, or to give a sample, to use in a sewing box, to use it in a theme journal, or just to share some laces and things. Next up, this is a pin. And it says maker with a scissor, which obviously all of us are, especially if we subscribe to the box. We make items. So that's something for your journaling bag, for your jacket, for your pencil bag. A reminder, because very often we doubt ourselves. This is a set of craft stickers, and they embellish so beautifully with some gauze and some butterflies. This is the only piece of plastic in this packet that's supposedly single use, but even that, I think you could make a really nice bookmark if you reuse this little bit of plastic. Then this is a little pocket. Again, this is plastic. It's a reusable. It's not a single use. And it's tied up. Very nice, fluffy trim. Like an eyelash trim with a pom-pom in. Some grid paper. And then this is a thick plastic. It zips open with a little slider. And then there's a whole lot of, it's washi type. There's some circles, there's some punch outs, there's some strips, tickets, and you can see by the, they're quite translucent. Some more strips, tickets. This is all in a vintage style, vintage colour. And again, some stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the big, and then lots of the tickets, and then lots of the circles also. So it's a really nice way to trim off a page or a tag, something like that, to have these handy. And then that brings us, make some space, to the last item in the box. This is meant as a fabric sampler, so it is bits and pieces of different types of fabric, laces, vintage crochet work. There's some velvets in here, trims, and it's meant as tag embellishments, pocket embellishments, just little layering on journal covers and things. So there's some wool, there's a fishnet trim, and then it's all just stuck together with one of these clips that you can undo and then look. So there's a beaded trim, there's a part of a doily. These are all vintage doilies. There's some binding. There's a nice blue cotton. Again, some laces, floral. So these are. So you end up with quite a big selection of colors and fabrics. Even this one has the little stitching at the bottom, so there's a bit of ruching and texture, so it makes almost a ruffle. This is a part of a nice tablecloth. There's an embossed velvet, some anglaise, there's some chiffon, there's like a bridal lace, heavy lace, again, pom-poms. There's a vinyl, like a leather look, pleather vinyl, and then that's a big velvet. So that little bundle, and it's tied up with a ball pin. So those are the items. Shall we count them? 1, and then these are the stickers. 2, 3, the little ink. 4, the badge. 5, 6, 7, the spool. 8, and then 9. And actually, looking through, there's an item that I didn't even discuss. Again, a little envelope, and it's got a layered butterfly embellishment inside. I mean, you can use this as an embellishment on a tag or something, or you can journal on the back of it. All right, so that is box 8, the August box. Thank you for all our loyal subscribers, and thank you for all the kind words and kind messages and the amazing feedback. As you can see, it's vintage inspired. There are some vintage items. There are some used secondhand items. Please be aware of that, especially something like this, like the fabric bundle, which are meant to be fragments, won't be a pristine new item. The ink is brand new. The pin is new. The stickers are new. The little wooden items are new, handmade, beautiful, and we really take the time to finish off the items nicely, to package them nicely, and to give you a really nice experience and treat to yourself every month. The boxes are 240 Rand and postage added on top of that. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.